Today I'm going to show you how to add slash pockets to a one-piece sewing pattern. Here I have a short pants pattern. It's called one piece because the front and back panels are joined together. You have the front crouch here and the back crouch. When you join the inseams, you will get one leg of the pants. So this type of pattern is very quick to complete and they work great for flowy patterned fabric where you don't want to break the pattern or the drape of the fabric. So the pocket will look like this. The side seams will only run down to the pocket's opening. Let's begin. So we will start by making the pockets pattern. Fold your one piece pattern in half and then we will draw a line straight down. So this will mark the side of a pants. From that line, measure 6 centimeter and another 8 centimeters, so total 14 centimeters. Okay, and for the length I'm going for 24 centimeters, so you can make it longer if you want. And now we'll just drag out the lines and draw a rectangle, and we will measure 15 centimeter from the waist down. This will be our pockets opening, and then join the line. So this is the slash pocket, and we will trace the pocket out. So your paper is wide enough to be folded in half, okay? And if you're using the same material for your pocket, then you just cut off the triangle and that is your pockets pattern. However, if you're using a thinner fabric for your pocket, keep this triangle piece so that you can cut it from your main fabric. Now I'm just marking the seam allowances so I don't forget and then cut them off, because over here we will need seam allowances to join the pocket together. And we can cut this part off, we don't need that.
Cutting the pattern. My fabric is folded with the right sides together, and I will cut the pattern with a 1 centimeter seam allowance, except for the pants hem, which is 3 centimeter. This long rectangle is the full waistband. These are the pockets, mirrored, cut from a lightweight fabric. Elastic band for the waistband.
Sewing the slash pocket.
I will show you how the pieces fit together. Fold the pants pattern so the correct side is on the outside. The pocket piece, fold it with the wrong side on the outside. This triangle piece, place it in the pocket with the correct side facing you.
It can be confusing with the right side and the wrong side. Left leg pattern and right leg pattern, so put them into sets. It will help you see how the pattern pieces are connected.
Our first step is to sew the triangle piece onto the pocket's corner. Top stitch down the diagonal line. Both pieces have the correct side facing upwards. This area is the pocket's opening. Pin the opening correct sides together. Now sew down to this point, don't go past the seam allowances. Snip the seam allowances 2 to 3 millimeters from the stitch line. These little snips will open the seam allowances so it won't bunch up in the next step. Flip the pocket to the underside. Give it an ironing and top stitch 1 centimeter from the pocket's opening. Working on the wrong side of the pattern, pin the side seams to the triangle.
Okay, so
Next, adjust the pocket so the bottoms and sides match. Pin them up so the pocket's bottom and sides close.
then we sew here.
Notice that there is a gap here, we will close it in the next step. Iron the pocket and side seams, making sure the seams are pointed to the back of the pants.
You see
We will top stitch this area. Also sew the pocket onto the waist area. The last step is to sew a couple stitches across to reinforce this point.